In this video, I'm going to share a pattern that you have to know. And the reason why you have to know it is that if you know this pattern, you're going to know your basic whip, you're going to understand connection really well, you're going to understand timing really well, and probably even musicality. My name's Brian B.
I'm Miss Megan.
And this is the pattern I'm going to put you on this side. It is a basic whip. No, it's not. But it starts like a whip, and it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, here's why this. 4 reasons why you need to know this move. I'm going to do it from my back. I lied. First of all, it starts like a basic whip where Megan's going to step forward and turn back. So that's level 1. So if you know a basic whip, you probably have a chance at doing this move. Second thing is as we go 1, 2, I'm going to put my hand into Megan. Now, number 2 is that we have to master connection, meaning Megan just can't go. She has to follow my hand up and around to complete the move. Now, the third thing that we have to master in that is the timing. I'm going to keep putting you back on this side, and then we'll flip it on the other side. Meaning, we have to think in 2-beat increments. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, a 1, and 2. If we do it from the other side, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 1, and 2. And if you're paying close attention, that's 6 beats. And we're getting there differently in our footwork. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways. Leader's footwork, I can do 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and anchor 5 and 6. If I did that again, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, anchor 5 and 6. I could also do 1, 2, hold 3, step 4, anchor 5 and 6. I could do that again. 1, 2, hold 3, step 4, 5, and 6. I could theoretically do it in walks and triples. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So I have to really understand my timing. Now the same thing is going to go for Megan, and then we're going to get to where musicality and connection and how I can actually lead one of these versions. So Megan can do these versions. 1, 2.
Sorry, I didn't know if I was talking.
1, 2.
So
1, 2, we agree.
2. You can tap for 3 and move on 4, 5, and 6.
Do that same thing again.
So we have 1, 2, stay for 3, go 4, 5, and 6. Another option is 1, 2, land on 3, hold 4, 5, and 6. Again, we have 1, 2, land 3, hold 4, 5, and 6. Which
gets into a little bit of how we lead this. We said before that 1, 2, we just connect here and we float through, and even if we're on the wrong foot, as long as my left foot's free to lead the next pattern and Megan's right foot's free, we're good to go. But if we understand those 2-beat increments and the different ways that we can sort those out and keep it tracking in our mind, then from a higher level we can go, if we're in the music, we're dancing in the music, I'm counting the music, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and accent 2, 3, and 4. Now Megan stopped with that arm high. Why? And she did the step 3, hold 4 version because I led that. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. I stopped here and she doesn't turn around until I turn her around. I might take 2 extra beats and then 2 more extra beats. So she's following this. I guess in theory.
I felt minimal movement, so I went. Sorry.
So we can do this the slow way. 3, 4, 5, and 6. We can take 2 extra beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But Megan disagreed with me. She thought that the pattern you need to know is a roll in, roll out in all of its variations. And if you want to see that pattern, sorry, Miss Megan, you can watch that right here. And then I made a new page on our website with our best free resources. Click on that. Go through all sorts of stuff. Musicality, our ebook, music lists, all of the most popular, cool, free stuff, pattern tree. Click that link and choose your favorite best resource. We'll see you on a dance floor soon.